So inside the new Tassimo that I just got, it's exactly the same as the old ones. So you've got the heater there, that long metal strip going vertical, and then the little pump, and there's a sensor back there. You can't really see it. It sticks into the back tank to detect reservoir level. There's a little cutoff switch right there in the middle of the screen behind that little screw. And on this side we have a flow sensor, basically a Hall effect sensor with a little impeller inside it that spins, and how fast it spins is how much flow is being detected. It's very easy to start. One button. The little pump is vibrating. It's got this whole suspension here that can move up and down to try and isolate vibrations. And a little control board in there. It's pretty much exactly like the old one. Interesting. They just changed the outside appearance and that's it.